Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Anjal Singh and I welcome you to this quick and easy tutorial for this beautiful song Pal Pal Har Pal from the movie Lage Rho Munna Bhai. Now this entire song is pretty easy. You have mainly 3 to 4 main lines to learn and you should be able to play this beautiful song just like that. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. The first line of the song goes something like this, very slowly. We have. Let's break that down. So we start it on the second string open, we play. Then you have 2 on the second string and then 4 on the first string, like that. So you have one more time and then you also have a 2 on the first string. After that, the next 3 notes, they kind of repeat again. So you will have 2, 4, 2 and again 2, 4, 2. The way we play it is something like this. Okay, try to mimic it as close to it as possible. It will be much easier to get the soul of the song. Okay, so up till here from the start you have very good. After that you play 4 2 0 on the first string, followed by a little bar chord on the second fret of the first and the second string, so that you catch both the 2s together. So you play the second string and then the first string, both are 2, and then you play the 0 on the first string. So this part together will sound like, and after that the last notes 0 to 0 will have the same flow as you had with the. Okay, so this flow will basically continue throughout the song. So wherever you see these notes stacked together like that, just remember it's going something like, or. Okay, and as the new lines will come, this will change a little bit. Okay, so this entire line from the start, very slowly we have. And the line repeats one more time. Very good. And this will take you to the next line of the song, goes something like this, very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start it again with the 0 on the first string, followed by 2 and 4. All of them are on the first string. Now the fingers I want you to use is going to be the first finger for the 2, middle finger for the 4 and the ring finger for the 5, so that the pinky can be used to catch the 7 that will be coming up next. So up till 5 from the start you're gonna have like that. Then the same flow comes again, so you do like that. So you have 5 7 5 5 7 5. So the same flow again. Then you do this little transition. You do 7 5 4 2 back to 5. Okay, and then 4 one more time. So this part together will sound like that. Okay, so it's a little stretch, yes, but give it a little go you should be able to get it. Okay, up till here from the start you have had and then this little walk. Okay, so it's 7 5 4 2 5 4, and after that again the similar thing will come back. So you will have 4 5 4 4 5 4. Okay, so same thing. Okay, this entire line very slowly we have. Very good. That takes you to the next line of the song, goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Okay, let's break that down. So again, the last note you did was the 4 on the first string. Okay, after that we are doing 5 4 2 0 4. So it's kind of similar thing that you did over here, but now we are gonna do it on these frets. We're gonna go 5 4 2 0 4 2. Okay, sounds like. Okay, then same thing starts again like the start of the song. So you have and at the very end you do 2 on the second string and then 0 on the second string to kind of complete this line. So this line from the start very slowly we have. Very well done. After that the first lines come back again, so you play that. And remember, it repeats again. Very well done. That takes you to the next line of the song, goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So this line is pretty simple. We start on the first string. All the notes are on the first string. We start with 2. We start with 0. Then you have 2, 4, 2. Then you have 2, 2, 4, 5, 4. Okay, now you can use your fingers like I'm using. First finger here, ring, pinky. Okay. That way, when you have to play the 2 again, your fingers don't get misplaced. After that, you again have 0, 2, 4, 2. Then you have 0 on the first string. And now you get some notes on the second string. You play 4 to the 2 like that. And then you will have 2 on the first string. And then 4 and 0 again together. 4 on the second. And 0 on the first string. So this part very slowly from the start we have. Very well done. And this again repeats. Okay, so this line you play twice and then you go back to the start of the song. All of the lines go exactly the same, so you're back at Okay, so all of that starts again. Okay, and then you play the first lines again all the way to here, and that should be your song. Now that we are through with all of that, it's time for you to head into the play along of this song. But before you do that, make sure all the sections are great, and in case you feel like there is some part that needs more practice, then I highly suggest you to just go back, rewatch the video, and then come back to this section of the video. Now, if you're already feeling good, then let's dive right into the song and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case there are still any doubts, any queries, suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now, if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.